Today, Mon and I are at a peaceful farm with a fluffy sheep next to us. Mon, do you know how to tell the difference between a sheep and a goat?
Nhỏ thì sẽ lông nhỏ, những con to thì những con lớn rồi thì lông nó sẽ to nhưng mà lông nó không to bằng con cừu.
That's partly right, but there are many more fun differences, let me tell you. First, sheep have thick, curly, and soft wool. People raise sheep to get wool and make warm clothes. Goats have short and smooth hair, not thick like sheep. Look closely, Mon. Sheep have long, floppy ears that hang down. But goats have upright ears. Also, both sheep and goats have horns. Sheep's horns are usually curved and thick, while goats' horns are thin and pointy. Sheep say "ba-ba," while goats say "mei-mei." Goats love climbing and jumping around. They're very playful. Sheep, however, are gentle and like to stay in a flock eating grass together. That's why people call sheep friendly friends. Now, Mon knows how to tell the difference between sheep and goats. They may be different, but they're both lovely friends on the farm. Today, Mon learned something new and interesting. Let's continue discovering many more wonderful things in the animal world together. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to Mon's Adventures so you won't miss the next fun exploration.